want truth, be truthful. If you want honesty, be honest. If you want respect, then give respect. Be a reflection of what you would like to receive. A very warm good morning to everyone, respected principal sir, my dear teachers and my dear brothers and sisters. I am Vishwadana of Standard 10, welcoming you all to today's morning assembly. So let's start our assembly with DAV gun.
School! Attention! Ready for DAV gun!
India, we have some duties towards our country. Please instill a sense of patriotism among us. So let's take one with Gayatri.
Take place position. India is my country.
India is my country.
All Indians are.
All Indians are.
My brothers and sisters.
My brothers and sisters.
I love my country.
I love my country.
And I am.
And I am.
Proud of its.
Proud of its.
Rich and varied heritage.
Rich and varied heritage.
I shall always.
I shall always.
Strive to be.
Strive to be.
Worthy of it.
Worthy of it.
I shall give my parents.
I shall give my parents.
Teachers.
Teachers.
And all elders.
And all elders.
Respect.
Respect.
And treat everyone.
And treat everyone.
With courtesy.
With courtesy.
To my country.
To my country.
And my people.
And my people.
And place my devotion.
I place my devotion.
In their well-being.
In their well-being.
And prosperity along.
And prosperity along.
Lies my happiness.
Lies my happiness.
Jai Hind.
Jai Hind. Now, to deliver some principles of ISMR, I would like to call Prachi.
School! Stand at it!
10 principles of RSMR. Principle number 5. All actions should be performed in conformity with dharma. That is after due consideration of right and wrong. Principle number 6. The primary aim of Arya Samaj is to do good for all. That is promote their physical, spiritual, and social well-being. Thank you. What gives us a positive opinion to start our day with incitement and inspiration? So for today's thought, I would like to call Shubhasmita.
Good morning, everyone. Today's thought is life gives us new lessons each day, not only to learning but to improve our understanding. I repeat it. Life gives us new lessons each day, not only for learning but to improve our understanding. Thank you.
School! Attention! Ready for prayer song!
News keeps us well informed about the current affairs and latest developments. So, to update us with current happenings, here comes Omaditya.
School! Stand at it!
Good morning, everyone. Today's news headlines are as follows. First, some national news. Coronavirus. The study finds reinfection with Omicron subvariants rare. In between the ongoing buzz around LIC market debut, the Finance Minister on Tuesday assured that the government will go ahead with it. Now some business news. Sensex plunges 383 points, Nifty settles below 17,100 amid Ukraine crisis. Indian bond yields rise, rupee falls as Ukraine tension escalates. Now some science news headlines. Study says COVID vaccine booster gives effective antibody protection against Omicron. Report says 2022 will be among warmest years. Expect extreme heat events. Thank you and have a nice day.
The strange but true facts prove that the world is really a magical and mysterious place. So, with some interesting facts, here comes Ayush.
Good morning everyone. Today's fact are based on Gregor Mendel. Fact number 1. Gregor Mendel was an Austrian monk who discovered the basic principles of heredity through experiment in his garden. Fact number 2. He was known as the father of the modern genetics. Fact number 3. He was born on July 20, 1822. Fact number 4. His experiment showed that the inheritance of certain traits of field plants follows particular patterns, subsequently becoming the foundation of modern genetics and leading to the study of heredity. Fact number 5. Mendel enrolled in a 2 years program at Philosophical Institute of University of Ulm. Fact number 6. He was honored with Nobel Prize in the year 1921 for his work. Fact number 7. Mendel died on 6 Jan 1884 at the age of 61 due to chronic nephritis. Thank you.
Having a rich vocabulary helps us to communicate in a more engaging way. The greater number of words we have, the more we can express ourselves. So, for today's word, I would like to call Meghashmita.
Good morning everyone. Today's word is Blair. Its spelling is BLAIR.